So I thought this is what I was gonna cook today, and I started to clean it thinking that this was just some outside skin. As you can see, I'm trying to push my finger through it and I cannot. And then I see this film on here. Like, it is so hard. It literally looks like, I don't know guys, tell me if I'm crazy, but like, it is so hard. It looks exactly like plastic. Here is one that I had already pulled off, and I'm not sure what this is. Even down inside of there, as you can see, it's like plastic. Look at this. And this is honeysuckle. So I thought that it would be okay. Again, can you see the shininess on here? I mean, you guys can tell me if, I mean, look at this. It clearly looks like plastic that I'm pulling off. I don't know. What are they doing to this food? Like, it even sounds like plastic. It's so hard to pull off. Look. Look how hard it is to pull off. And it's all through here. This looks exactly like hard plastic. Okay guys, tell me what you think. If this is normal or what you guys think, but it's all throughout. Okay guys, tell me what you think. Thank you.